Hello, AJA, 7th grade. Wow. Mr. Ziegler here. You remember a couple of years ago, you built a beehive. Well, there's a thriving bee colony living in this hive right now. I'm gonna show you a little bit about it. Here we go. Let's take a look. So this is the hive that you built. Let's check it out. We can see that over here is the entrance. There's a lot of activity, especially with the rain we've had. They're trying to store up as much food as they can before the sort of cold of fall and winter comes. So look at that. Coming in and out of the entrance. Next we're going to take a look inside the hive itself. I added a glass viewing window into the side here so we can take a look. So look at that. So in there is probably 20 or 30,000 bees. And there are honeycombs going all down the whole thing. But over here, there are too many bees to really see the honeycomb. Busy, busy, busy. If we go over here, we can see. So the dark liquid in there is honey. They'll fill this up with these cells up with honey, and then they'll cap it with honeycomb, leave it for a little while, and then that will be their food. If we look over here, we can see this honeycomb is just they're just making it, so it's white and just perfect and beautiful. That's what that looks like. They're scurrying around because they don't like the light inside of their hive. They think something's wrong. Now for a second I'm going to shoot in slow motion.